Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can actually dye wool inside your Minecraft. So, first of all, please make sure that you are using any kind of Minecraft versions. I'm using the 1.19.2 version. If you have any other versions, it will still work for you. So, now let's get ahead and open our Word. It's like that, and I will show you multiple ways how to dye wool in Minecraft. First of all, let's get some space where we can put our sheep inside of it. For example, this two places, something like that will work. And let's get sheep like that and like that. Okay, this one is outside. Let's put someone inside. So how we can actually dye this sheep wool? Basically, you can just get any color like that. How we can get it? Flowers, and let's try this one. Let's get a crafting table and orange dye, just like so. Now you can just go ahead and go to your sheep and right click on him, and it will change the color. Now after you get a shears and you cut his wool, you will get his colored wool that you have already changed. The second method, which is getting a normal wool from like your white sheep, and then getting a crafting table, putting your wool and something like that, and you can be able to change the wool color inside of it. So the second method will work on any kind of version of Minecraft, but the first one will only work on the latest version of Minecraft that got chips with multiple colors. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for staying until this moment. See ya guys.